stroller. Because now, you are
Try to get her attention to that.
So that's the dancing game Patty brought over.
T for T, right there.
Oh, it's not there.
Only on Connect for Xbox 360.
Thank you.
Ribbon, Actually.
The number you need to call if you've been denied compensation or Social Security disability. 1-800-LAWYERS. Sandler, Mellon, and Shipman. The lawyers who know and for you. 1-800-LAWYERS.
Just tonguing it out.
Are proven. Everywhere you go for you. Thanks for this.
Here, put her on the pillow real quick.
You can spring forward. It's not just luxury, it's smarter than that. For many, the best part of the deep dish pizza is the tasty corners. That's why
Hey, Ma, you want to play on your pillow?
pizza, you get 8 crispy, crunchy corners, exceptional cheese, and awesome toppings on dough made fresh daily in every Jeff's kitchen. And now, get Jeff's exclusive 8-quarter pizza with 1 topping for just $9.99. Order a 1-topping Jeff's 8-quarter pizza today for just $9.99 and taste of legend. It's yours. Pizza. 1-800-LAWYERS, the number you need to call if you've been injured in an auto accident. 1-800-LAWYERS, a firm that specializes in personal injury cases because it's all we do. 1-800-LAWYERS.
Oh my God.
And never a fee unless we work for you.
Welcome back to American Idol. As you know, this season we have 16-year-olds trying out. Maybe that was to discover a superstar like Thea. Take a look.
Look at her hair.
Hi, Bobby.
No matter how old or young you are, you can do anything you want to do. 15 years old.
Definitely a bigger voice beyond your age of 15.
Her hair's all brown.